Alright, well, I thought that the EM1 was getting ready to run out of fuel, so I was going to run a short clip of it running out of fuel, and then it ran out seconds into this recording. So, guess this will be the end of the run summary for the day. The ET8 ran pretty well right away. It's been sitting since the last time it was on the channel, so that was nice. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I had the carburetor explanation correct, that the small needle is the idle and the big disc is the high speed adjustment, but I've tried all kinds of different adjustments on the ET8 and I really only get any success doing the small needle, so I'm not sure which is which. Slide this out of the way and get ready to take batteries out of that EM1, but the EM2 here, again, the governor balls are swinging far enough that they're hitting the cylinder here, so I'm gonna have to do something about that. Yeah, see, they can swing freely and hit there, so we'll have to do something about that. I have a couple ideas. We'll take a look at that. And I also think that when I was Loctiting set screws, I forgot that one. So the tiny gear, the tiny crown or tiny gear here for this on the bottom crankshaft, I think might have slipped because the exhaust valve is definitely not set where I had it before. And the EM1 there started up and ran real nice. Had that little hiccup, but then it restarted right away with basically no adjustment. So I am sure that once I get the EM2 here dialed in and fiddled around with enough and modified, it's going to settle in and run real nice too. So it's still, you know, same thing that I have said all along. The ET series is just a lot easier to get going and keep in order. The EM series, you just have to get either incredibly lucky with the engine you get and have it be just in order right away, and all the set screws work, or because they're so tiny, those set screws just have to get Loctited in, and you need to be prepared to go in and double check all the timing and double check everything and get it set in place with Loctite on the set screws, so it'll run okay, or so it'll run real nice. But it's still a great little engines at the price, and I'm definitely having a lot of fun with them. So